Hey YouTube, Dave here with another harvest video. This time it's sweet potato. This is growing in a tub. I was actually growing squash in here and the sweet potato just appeared and took over, killed the squash. So you know the routine, I'll trim it back, show you, and we'll start harvesting. Well, it's all pulled back, but I'm not sure how much we're going to get from this. It was only this one area that was growing. Well, that was hard work. It was a bit of a failure as well. One nice one. I mean, what does that look like? Geez, I don't know if I'll show this one. Bit of a failure. Well, I didn't really plant it, so can't really expect too much. Oh well, thanks for watching. See ya.